Assalamu alaikum students. Today's lecture is about BCD and arithmetic addition. So one of the command used in BCD is decimal adjust after addition, that is DAA. Another is subtraction, DAS, decimal adjust after subtraction. So here in this example you can see that values are moved in respective registers and then moved in AL register. The value from BL is moved in AL and added with the value in DL. Here you know that BX can be divided into BL and BH. So in first phase lower parts are added. So the result of addition is stored in AL. Then after decimal addition, decimal adjust after addition is performed and the next part is added, that is BH and DH, and the final result is saved in AL. Here you can notice that ADC is used, addition with carry. So finally the result of both additions are moved in CH register. So in this example subtraction operation is performed. I hope you can do it by yourself. After that ASCII arithmetic. The first instruction used here is ASCII adjust after addition. Second is ASCII adjust after division, AAD. Third is ASCII adjust after multiplication, and fourth is ASCII adjust after subtraction. Here in this example for addition instruction we are adding 31H and 39H, and 31H in ASCII means value 1 and 39H means in ASCII 9. So after this we will use AAA command and the final result of addition of two numbers is added with AX. So in this paragraph we have described how this is performed. Like for 9 plus 1 it should produce a 2-digit ASCII result equivalent to 10, which is a 31H and 30H in ASCII code. So if AAA instruction is executed after addition, the AX register will contain a value 0100H. Although it is not ASCII code, it can be converted to ASCII code by adding 3030 to AX, which generates 3130. So 3030 is just conversion of ASCII code. So 3030 is actually converting the number in ASCII value. Next is AAD. Here again 9 is moved in AL and 702H is moved in AX. Then ASCII adjust after division is performed and div BL is performed. It means BL is divisor. So AX is automatically loaded and AX is divided by divisor is BL. BL will be divided by the number in AX. Next is AM instruction. Again values are moved, and here multiplication is performed earlier, then after multiplication the adjustment is performed. You can you will have to work for these two coding examples, 5.23 and 5.24 by 5.24 by yourself. After this logic instruction, first instruction is AND. You all know AND is multiplication. So if you load if you move ASCII value 3135H in BX and performing AND operation where you have applied 0F 0F in BX. So here masking is defined. AND operation clears bits of a binary number. The task of clearing a bit in a binary number is called masking. So notice that leftmost 4 bits clear to 0 because 0 and anything is 0. So the bit operation, bit position with AND with ones do not change. So this occurs because if a 1 and ends with a 1, a 1 result will be obtained. So this is exactly the property of AND operation. OR is addition. So these are the examples related to AND. Here you can see AL and BL is performed and result is stored in AL. OR will take if any one value is 1, then the result will be 1. So this is the coding example related to OR. Value 5 is moved in AL, 7 is moved in BL, and mul BL means AL is automatically multiplied by BL. Then arithmetic adjust, ASCII adjust after multiplication is performed, and after that the value is converted back to AX. After that, exclusive OR operation where different inputs produce one logic. So these are the examples related to exclusive OR. So the example shows a sequence of instruction that clears bit 0 and 1 of CX, sets bits 9 and 10 of CX, and inverts bit number 12 of CX. So just look at the values and perform the respective operation. Next is NOT and negative operation. NOT mean inverts one's complement or two's complement, and negative mean opposite value, sign change. Shift and rotate. For shift operation you will have two options, either shift left or shift right. This way you can look at here shift left is performed and here shift right is performed. So SHL will place AX. Here AX is logically shifted left one place. Here now number of places are placed in the source position. Here SAL. SAL means the content of data segment memory location data 1 are arithmetically shifted left to the number of spaces specified by CL. Here the register will be defined that will tell us about the number of shifts should be performed. In the same way, shifts performed towards right are represented here. So this is the example related to shift left. 14 places moved by dx towards left. Here in second code 14 is moved in CL and CL register tells how much shift left must be performed. Both are correct. So also solve this example 5.31. So that's all for today's lecture. Inshallah we will discuss the problems in later part of today's lecture.